You can now travel to Macau from Hong Kong by bus. That's good news, right? But first, let's take a bus to Tung Chung Fire Station. From there, take the B6 bus which will bring you to Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, Hong Kong Port. Froi and Geri! Traveling through the world's longest bridge and tunnel sea crossing, or the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge as what it's called, is not at all that complicated. You just have to find a way to get you first to the Hong Kong port and get you through the bridge. You can take either the B6 bus from Tung Chung Fire Station or CITYGATE outlets, which we did in this video by the way, or the B5 bus from Sunny Bay MTR station. If you're coming from Hong Kong International Airport, take a taxi or a public bus that will transport you to the hzmb Hong Kong port. get ready of your valid passport and go through security check, immigration, and customs at the passenger clearance building of the Hong Kong port. After passing security check and the immigration, proceed to buying your shuttle bus ticket from either the ticketing counters or the vending machines by using your octopus card. Doing the latter option will save you lots of time from queuing at the ticketing counters. Single trip daytime shuttle bus ticket costs 65 Hong Kong dollars for adults and 33 Hong Kong dollars for children under 12 years old, senior citizens, and PWDs. While one-way nighttime shuttle bus price is 70 Hong Kong dollars for adults and 35 Hong Kong dollars for children under 12 years old, senior citizens, and PWDs. After getting your shuttle bus ticket, proceed to the shuttle bus pickup area, which is on the same floor of the departure hall. The shuttle bus runs 24 hours a day between Hong Kong Port and Macau Port. It departs with an average interval of 5 minutes during rush hours and 10 to 15-minute interval during non-peak hours. There are estimated 320 departures per day to serve passengers. Now here are some snippets of the 40-minute bus ride from Hong Kong to Macau. Watch till the end for the 5th and 6th steps. After getting off the shuttle bus at the Macau port, proceed to the 3rd level of the Macau port to go through immigration and customs clearance.
Come back to me. 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 Come back to me.
One tip for you, if you decide to go to Macau from Hong Kong by bus, travel early in the morning and avoid weekends or public holidays. Now it's time to hop on a Macau free shuttle bus to either Macau Ferry Terminal or Taipa Ferry Terminal, where you can take free shuttle services to the different casino hotels in Macau. We hope you find this video helpful. Till our next vlog, don't forget to subscribe. Be joyful always, prayerful at all times, and thankful in all circumstances. Stay awesome!